Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and happy now. As we know, a pandemic of COVID-19 has changed our lives. But before that, I want to ask you, do you know what is the pandemic? Okay, if you don't know, let me tell you all. A pandemic is a disease outbreak that spreads across countries or continents. It affects more people and takes more lives than an epidemic. The World Health Organization has declared COVID-19 to be a pandemic when it became that the illness was severe and that it was spreading quickly over a wide area. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Jauhar Barikisku Rahman and I am from 12th grade of Senior High School Nurul Fikri Makassar. The pandemic changed all the plans of life, were originally planned well, in the end not according to plan. Some work and activities are hampered because of this pandemic. Our people not healthy, having to wear masks everywhere and keep our distance. There are many reasons to say that this pandemic is very influential on life. A few examples such as loss, death, and grief. But if we look at this pandemic, there's two sides of this pandemic. The first is the negative side, and the secondly is the positive side. What I mentioned before, that is the one of the negative side of COVID-19. Okay, let me continue what is the negative side of COVID-19. The first one, many people have lost their jobs. Based on my vision, this pandemic is forcing entire companies to lay off some of their employees. Do you know why? That is because the company suffered heavy losses due to the impact of that outbreak. Secondly, many people have died, said that this pandemic taken them away. This pandemic is spreading so fast, so only people who have strong immunity will be spread from this pandemic. And thirdly, the last negative impact of COVID-19 is the achievement of students are hampered because online learning for a long time. There are so many opportunities can be achieved by students to face-to-face tutoring, but all of them have been shifted to distance learning. As we can see, the bad effect on online learning is the students become lazy. That's why I say the online learning is not worth it for students. Okay, next, I want to tell you what is the positive side of COVID-19. The first one, the people become more independent. People have started to realize and introspect themselves that this pandemic is not a joke. They begin to make massive change that make them independent without them realizing it. Secondly, there is wisdom and learning from God for this pandemic. Maybe God sent this plague to make people aware of how much we have done wrong on this earth. We should be grateful and keep what God has given us. We must be patient with this test of this pandemic given by the Almighty. Indeed, behind hardship there is ease, as in word of Allah in Surah Al-Inshirah verse 5 until 6, which reads, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim, fa inna ma'al usri yusra, inna ma'al usri yusra. The meaning, so verily with hardship there is ease, verily with hardship there is ease. Maybe that's all my speech. If I have many mistakes, please forgive me. I'm not a perfect human, being with perfect words, but I try to do my best. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.